Hey, what's up? Mark here, PressFit Productions. Just working on this Dana 44 front axle housing that I'm putting back together for the Haas Scout. About ready to put in the Pinion bearing races, and didn't have race driver or seal driver kit. I thought I did in the poly case array over here when I moved from that garage to this shop, but I don't. So quick $29.99 the other day on Amazon, and we've got this beautiful cast, I'm sure, aluminum seal and bearing race driver kit. I can see from the inside that it does look like it's cast and it's just been lightly machined for cleanup, but you know, a little light, but dude, $29.99, come on. So at any rate, we're going to give these things a shot and install the inner and outer pinion bearing race. And they're in the freezer right now chilling. They've been there for a couple days waiting for this to show up and for me to get some gumption after work. So anyway, we're going to check these out. These are from Orion Motor Tech. I'll put the link in the description in case you guys want to pick up a set, $29.99. And let's get after it. Yeah, let's go get those fuckers. Rainy as balls out here. And I wasn't joking. Timkins in the freezer, holler at your boy. Yeah, let's do it. All right, here we go. Clean this guy out a little bit. Put some Mobil 1 high mileage, because this is like a 1978 axle housing. It's probably early 80s. I'll put just a little bit of motor oil right here. High mileage. Sick. Gonna get our Temkin bearing race. Outer pinion 02820. Just like the internet says, 02820. Boom. All right. It's not that one. Might be that one. That's that one. Okay. Looks like we're going to use number 7, 72 millimeters. Let's do it. You want that sucker to sit flush, just like that. Best as possible. Concentric. That's probably my wife texting me. Oh, come on. All right, got a little motor oil in there. This guy started flush. It almost falls in. Couple hits with the BFH. That's not going anywhere. There it goes. Oh, yeah. Well, that sucker popped right in there. And she's in. No marring of the surface. Well, that's nice. Get my pick tool. Check going to make sure you're seated. And using a pick tool, you can tell if you've got any kind of gap right here. And no gap. And you can hear it. You can hear me take purchase, but we'll just check. Yep. Nothing. Sick. Aluminum didn't do too much marking. On to the other side. All right, flip the diff over, rinse and repeat, but now this is bearing race 31520. 31520 Timken. Right out of the freezer. Wipe this guy out. A little bit of lube. Some high mileage. Because it is high mileage. Wore the fuck out. All right, there we go. So, I'm going to get this guy started. And then I think I'm going to use this driver, even though it's a little big. And we'll see if that bites me in the ass here in a second. And I can already see that I do wish that I had a longer handle. It started. Here we go. It's going to be a pain in the ass. Tell already. All right, I'm using the 76 millimeter back to the large driver and a nice extension from my floor jack so I can get some purchase on this sucker. And there he goes. You can hear it. There she is. That one didn't like that one that much. You can hear that when it goes metal on metal. And pick tool tells me I'm fully seated on the back. No gap. Bottom one down here, like I said, on the outer pinion race. No gap. You can hear it one more time. Metal on metal. That's solid. There you go. This one didn't like it as much. Some deformation there, but I'll clean that up. That's no big deal. Not bad for $29.99. There we go. Inner pinion bearing race installed. No gap. No marring. Flip this bad boy over. Outer pinion race. No gap. No marring. Check it out. Well, other than some slight deformation, because I grabbed kind of an oversized driver, that bearing race on the inner pinion was a little odd. These things rock. So $29.99, Orion Motor Tech. It's a pretty decent kit, and I think for $29.99, it definitely killed it. So check it out. Link in the description. Poly case, label it, put it on your shelf. See ya.